The Philippines has a lot to offer foreigners coming either as tourists or investors. The country has numerous tourist destinations. It also has many business opportunities for those willing to invest. And most of all, it has a friendly, hospitable, and an able as well as emotional people. Audrey Gorisata filed this report.
Filipinos are one of the most cheerful people in the world. This is evident by the fact that many Filipinos love to celebrate for any reason, even with insufficient resources. In a study conducted over 140 countries comparing how they feel about their lives, the Philippines ranked 151st in the least emotional rankings, in effect making us the most emotional people in the world. On the other hand, the survey showed that Singaporeans are the least likely in the world to their positive or negative feelings, while emotions run strong among Filipinos on a daily basis. For a positive point of view, this is good for the country's tourism campaign. Emotional people have a great capacity to care. This should be of comfort to tourists because emotional people have great sense of compassion. Singaporeans are known for being too serious and very businesslike among themselves, and even in dealing with the international community. They have built advanced infrastructures for their mega city, and they're among the wealthiest people in the world. However, anything extreme is bad. Experts around the world claim that when people are too emotional, they often make bad decisions based on how they are feeling at the moment. They tend to act without thinking of the consequences of their actions. The cheerful disposition of Filipinos may sometimes surprise and strike the foreigner as a lack of seriousness, but upon knowing more about the customs in the Philippines, one would understand cheerfulness is a part of the country's culture. But does having the title the most emotional people in the world should be something we should be celebrating, or should we all aspire for something in the middle? For People's Television, Audrey Gorisata.